Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina, bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2009 Ford F-150 SuperCrew four-wheel drive with the Lariat package. This is a really nice truck we bought from directly from the owner. Comes with a clean North Carolina title. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So you can see the finish on this F-150 is really beautiful. It's got a black finish, two-tone with the gold on the bottom, and especially to be a 2009, there's really no major dents, dings, scratches to speak of, no rust or corrosion. Just overall, very well taken care of, no fading of the paint. Lots of great details inside and out. Clean North Carolina title, as we mentioned. Dual exhaust, backup camera. It's got the towing package with the trailer brake system as well. So again, just lots of great features packed into this 2009 F-150. Definitely a nice clean interior. Again, you can see the leather is just in excellent condition. It's got the sunroof, big center console, plenty of storage, dual climate control. It's got the Microsoft Sync system. AC's nice and cold. Dash in good shape. Cruise control. Carpet's clean as well. It comes with these all-weather mats. Plus lots of other great features such as memory seats, adjustable foot pedals, all the great features you'd expect with the Lariat package. The second row is, again, equally as clean. Just a little bit of wear on the leather back here, but overall, again, very above average condition. No smoky smell, no pet odor, no pet hair. AC vents here in the back as well. Extremely spacious with the SuperCrew setup. It's a quick shot of the passenger side. Again, leather's in great shape, power seats. Comes with the original books as well, new inspection, oil change. Definitely a well-maintained pickup. Here's a view into the hood. You can see it's nice and clean. No major rust or corrosion under the hood either. 5.4 liter V8. The Triton engine runs nice and smooth. No cam phaser noise. Again, definitely been well taken care of. Nice feature on this truck are the wheels and tires for sure. Comes with these Hankook Dynapro AT2s, which are right at 50%, maybe a little bit better, close to 60, but again, very smooth. And you also get these 20-inch alloy two-tone wheels. All four are in great condition, no major corrosion, no curb rash, scratches. All four are really in above average condition. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2009 Ford F-150 SuperCrew four-wheel drive with the Lariat package. You can check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures, a link to this video, and then of course all the other inventory we have at our dealership. And then please give us a call or send a message to 252-567-3885 if you'd like to schedule a test drive, or if you have any questions, or also if you'd like to discuss financing. We have some new options available at our website, so we're glad to discuss. Have a great day.